What's up, you guys? It's Lincoln here. I just wanted to make a quick video real quick on NIO. This is an electric vehicle manufacturing company in China that has absolutely exploded this year. I'm sure many of you guys are very familiar with it. This was a dollar stock 12 months ago, and it has seen absolutely ridiculous growth. You can see up over 2,000% in the past year. And if we look at some recent upgrades and downgrades, you can see most of these are upgrades. There's a couple neutrals, but it has seen absolutely massive growth, and there is a lot of money going into the company right now. You can see the market cap is just under $50 billion, so there's still quite a bit of room to run. They haven't posted a profit yet, but they're well on their way. And if you think about the electric vehicle market in China, I believe the number that the Chinese government is targeting is 20% of all vehicles by 2025 they want to be electric. So if that is in fact enforced, then NIO will be a huge beneficiary of that. I don't really want to get into where I see the stock going. Obviously it has huge upside, and at these levels it also has huge downside. I do not hold any NIO stock. I've considered it, but at these levels, I'm just not comfortable. I feel like I'd be kind of chasing the herd. Whether or not that's true, I guess time will tell. But I wanted to get into a play that you guys could potentially make if you don't like NIO at $44, but if you would be no-brainer buying them at $35 or $30 or $25, something like that. So I want to show you guys how you can get paid to be potentially buying NIO at a price of your choosing. And we've talked about this a little bit before on my channel. So if you've seen my other videos, this will be nothing new. They do have an earnings announcement coming up, I believe, on the 17th, and that's going to be a big one for them. I would expect to see, I guess, continuation of their explosive growth. But obviously I don't know that for sure. If I did, then we'd all be rich already. So let's get into this. I'm going to talk about selling puts. And so say you weren't comfortable buying NIO at the current price, and you also don't know where it's going to go after earnings. If it did drop to $30, let's say, you'd be willing to buy it there. So we'll just say right after earnings. So November 20th, so 3 days after earnings. If you're willing right now to commit to buying NIO at $35 per share on November 20th, you could sell this put, collect $63, and then you'd be obligated to buy 100 shares of NIO at $35 if it closed at or below this $35 strike. So if it takes off, reports expected earnings or better than expected earnings, and it stays above $35 by expiration, then this is not going to be executed, obviously, and you will not be buying 100 shares at $35, but you will get to keep this $63 in premium that you'd be selling. So like I said, it's a great strategy if you don't want to buy in at these levels, but if it is a no-brainer at $35, there's a way you can make $63 in the meantime and basically get paid to wait to buy it at a price that you do like. Obviously, if you can scroll down, you're going to see premium has dropped a little bit, but you'd still take in $20 if you're going to sell that $30 strike. And we can go even a little bit further out. Given how much this has grown, you can see the premiums on this are absolutely ridiculous. So same thing, if you're committed to buying NIO at $35 a share and you're willing to take on that obligation all the way into January, a couple months out, you'd be paid a handsome $350 for this, which is insane. Same thing, $30, $189. And even if you wanted to sell $25 or a $20 strike, I mean, look at this. You could say, yeah, if NIO gets cut in more than half, you can pay me $44, and I will basically buy 100 shares from you. So these should all have volume. They're trading, you can see they're trading. They have a ton of volatility, a ton of premium. priced in. So this is a great way to kind of capitalize on NEO. If you're hesitant to buy in or at this price, then this is a great strategy to use and basically collect some money for being willing to sit on your hands and wait and see if it drops. And if it keeps going up, then at least you'll have made some money in the meantime. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I might come out with a price prediction on this stock in the near-term future, but we will see. I don't have one right now. I don't feel comfortable sharing my thoughts on it specifically. Like I said, I wouldn't be betting against this, but I also don't have any money in it at the moment. So that is where I stand. If you guys want to see me do something similar on another ticker, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.